Pwede ba ma-terminate ang policy? Yes, pero ang mas importanteng pangutana, kung saan para dili mahitabo. Hi, I'm Daddy Rick, Life and Wealth Advisor, husband, and proud tatay. And today, I'll share 3 simple ways to avoid losing your policy. 1. Pay on time. Most terminations happen tungod kay malimtan ang due date. Tip, set reminders or use auto-debit so dili nimo makalimtan. 2. Adjust when needed. Kung bugat ang premium, ayaw lang i-ignore, you can downgrade or restructure the plan kaysa mawala siya totally. 3. Communicate with your advisor. Importante nga transparent ka sa kahimtang. Your advisor can guide you with options before it's too late. Yes, pwede ma-terminate ang policy, pero mas pwede nato malikayan. Kung gusto nimo ang imong policy magpadayon og mahimong tunay nga protection, message me today. This is Daddy Ray, reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people, empowering the future, one family at a time.